Now I can grease that up and put me some good lug nuts on it, which I have. I ought to go back here and check into my other lug nuts, because I know I got several here that are those locking nuts. See, I've got one of these and several of these, which I can use if I need to. They just require, because of those splits in them, they require one of these. This is a key to get them off. Those are locking nuts. I've got some regular nuts, but the way those wheels are made, I'd rather not put them in there because they have a little funny hole that's deep in that wheel. I'd rather not be in there trying to dig it out. Now, if memory serves me right, I might have a can of lug nuts back here. I think these are also those type with the cover on them, which I don't want to use. They're nasty too. And something else. Either one of them are lug nuts. Like I say, I'd ordered some a fresh new set of lug nuts, so I'm gonna just put those locking nuts on here. And put that in the rack. I'm going to use some of this New Hampshire oil stuff and just grease all the... I done gone past using Never Seas at this point. I'm just using this stuff. Grease all that up, that wheel. And I noticed the back of that other wheel looked pretty corroded the other day, so I just grease all that up. And then when I get my new lug nuts on Monday, I'll come back and put them on. Oh joy. I want to show y'all my Christmas shirt too. Get these other nuts, I'll put them on. And then I'm going to need to clean up out here my garage. This would all be a lot easier if my knee wasn't bothersome. I think I need to probably do a couple things with it. One is rest it, and the other is stretch it in ways that right now I don't seem to want to go in much. All that soon enough. I'm just taking this stuff and slopping it right on here. In fact, it wouldn't hurt to knock all that rust. These wheels will stick to a set of aluminum wheels sometimes. The steel and the aluminum and the salt, calcium chloride, all the chemicals they put on the road up here will fuse the aluminum to these steel wheels, especially on this part here, this round part that goes over that round part of the wheel. And I do this a lot with hubs up here in Maine, specifically to keep them from having that problem. This is not what it's made for, this particular product. It's an undercoating rust-proofing product, but you know, works better than anything I can think of for this. Now let's see what this is. I'm guessing this is going to be a 3/4. It says 13/16, or it could be a 20mm. I don't have a 20mm. I don't know why I looked through all my tools a while ago. I didn't see any. It surprised me, but like I say, I got some friends and borrowing my tools. Who knows what might have happened to it if I had one. Seems like you always need something else other than what you got. That's all part of the fun, y'all. Yeah, sure is. If you mess around with cars, you'll figure that out pretty quick. You'll never have all the right tools. Sometimes you have to make some. Sometimes you go out and bite the bullet and buy some more. There was a time when I wouldn't have let other people use my tools, but you know, my neighbor does. He's a good friend. He's helped me a lot. If he lost all of my tools, he'd still be my friend. And if I had to go out and buy new ones, in fact, I've already done that a time or two. He ran over one of my jacks once. if I had to go out and buy new tools, so that there's still tools here for him to use, I would. Because his friendship is worth whatever the collateral damage is. Plus, you know, he's around here looking after my place. You don't ever come to steal anything here, just keep in mind that I've got a neighbor that can probably pick you up and turn you inside out. He's made that way. He's not necessarily violent, but if he ever did turn violent on you, I wouldn't want to be in the same neighborhood to see it, because it could be bad. That's what I think. It could be bad. I don't feel like anybody's going to come around here messing with nothing, because of him and some other things that are going on around here that might not be public knowledge. There's a lot of things about me that ain't public knowledge. Every so often somebody finds out and they say, I don't know that about you, and I think, yeah, you didn't want to. That way, some of us old guys got to have some secrets. Got to have some secrets, you know. Just saying. I guess I could use my R wrench. That's what the pirate uses. You know what the pirate uses? Put the lug nut back on the boat, he uses an R wrench. R-E-D. Hit it with the R wrench. Alright, I'll pull this thing out of here and clean up this garage. I'm going to go in the house and have a mail call. Thanks for hanging out with me. If it wasn't for y'all, I'd be out here all by myself. Ain't nearly as much fun alone. Kind of like a seesaw. It ain't much fun by yourself either. Safer maybe, but safety's overrated sometimes.